Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set up Face ID on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you want to set up Face ID from your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app, and here very first I recommend you have to try to update your software to prevent any kind of issue. Open your settings app, go to software update, and you have to make sure that you are up to date. So after updating your software, go back, go to Face ID and passcode option, enter your iPhone passcode. And here, just tap on this setup Face ID to get started with the Face ID. So just tap on this get started option. Now on this screen, you just have to try to record your face here or set up your face. So once you have done, you'll get on this type screen. You just have to tap on setup later. Or if you want to use Face ID with a mask, so you can select use Face ID with a mask option. But I'm gonna set up later option from here and then tap on the done option. So your Face ID is now set it up. You can easily use your Face ID for your iPhone line lock, your iTunes and your App Store, your contactless and payments, your autofill, and also for your other app. If you have locked any apps, you can use your Face ID for your locked apps. So in this way, you can easily set up your Face ID on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.